Hello all, have you ever spent hours and hours to match values in Excel? Or in worst case, have you made mistakes while doing manually? If yes, then this video is just for you. Today I am going to introduce you to one of the most powerful functions in Excel, which is VLOOKUP, which stands for vertical lookup, which means it will look up all the values vertically. Make sure to watch till the end because I will also be sharing some important do's and don'ts that can save your time and prevent common mistakes. Let's get started. So here I have some data set of employee ID, employee name and a department. Now we are going to match the employee name and the department by through VLOOKUP formula. Here I have an employee ID. So we'll use the VLOOKUP formula. First I will explain the VLOOKUP formulas. So you can see here it was asking lookup value. Lookup value is nothing but what you are going to search for. I am going to search for employee ID since this is the lookup value. A2 is my lookup value. Table array. Table array means where we are going to search. So this is the data in this three column we are going to search and column index number. So which means which column data we are going to get the results. The column number we have to mention. Range lookup there are two things, one is false and trues. False will give you the exact match, true will give you the approximate match. So since we have to use false only always, so we'll start the formula. VLOOKUP first, as I told, lookup value. So lookup value is employee ID, I selected, and the table array. So this is the table array. So I selected the table array and we have to lock the ranges. If you have a doubt on locking the ranges, means you please watch my previous video, you will get the clarity why we are locking the ranges. That video link I will keep on description, you can check it out. So now we have to put the column index number. So we want to bring the employee name. So employee name is, first column is employee ID, second column is employee name. So second column data we have to bring. So here I have to keep number 2. And as I already told, there are two criterias for range lookup. One is true and false. For approximate values or approximate match, we have to use true. If we want exact match, means we have to go with the false. We want exact match, since I am selecting false. That's all. Formula completed. Now you can see we got the employee name here. So we can drag down the cells. Formula applied for the all cells. Now we will bring department. So same, we look up and lookup value is employee ID. And we selected the array. We have to lock the range and column index number. Here we are bringing department name. Department name column is 1 2 3, third column, since we have to keep number 3 and we need exact match, so I am keeping false. Formula completed. So here for this is the VLOOKUP formula. You can match the values vertically. VLOOKUP will be used very widely. And same here I will add one more thing also. We used lookup value. Let's say you want to bring the final result from these columns B and C, which is already formula is applied. So here you can see the errors, not available. So this employee ID data is not available. So here instead of error you can use whatever you want. Let's say you don't want the error, means you have to use if error formula. After that you have to use VLOOKUP. and lookup value table array. So we have to select column number 2. Before that we have to lock the cells, and table number 2 I need exact match, so I closed the formula. Now if error input we have to use. So this is the formula is completed, value is completed, and value if it is error means what we need. Let's say I don't need anything means I need to keep blank means I have to open two quotation marks and I have to close. Now you can see that the errors were removed and it was coming as a blank. So you don't want to blank, you want to keep something else as employee not available. So you can keep. Here you can see whatever you want you can keep. There is a only one thing, if you want to put any text values means you have to put inside the quotation marks. You want to keep any values means you can keep directly. Let's say I want 0 instead of text and blank. Here I will, you can keep directly 0. Here you can see 0 is coming. That's all. Hopefully you understand the formula. Let me know if you have any doubts on this formula. Keep it as comment, I will give the reply. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you.